Hi guys, welcome to Techie Fan of India. My name is Shekhar and we are going to uh, doing the next tutorial, next slide, next video of Python, that is the variable. So we'll try to understand more and more concept about Python variable, as we know that variable is anything that change its value. Its value can be always changed. So as we can see here, x is given the value 10 and y is having the name Chandrasekhar Patel. So we have taken two value, and it is not necessary that x will always 10 only and y will be always this name Chandrasekhar Patel. It depends on the like variable are the placeholder or value holder or address that value can change, that is not variable, and the constant that doesn't change the value. Here value can change, so it's variable. Yeah, very first we can see print x. So that we are printing the 10 value as the output, and for y we are printing the Chandrasekhar Patel here. So we can see print x and print y as per our output. If you want to do it some better way, we are going to uh, mention their value of x is. So we can find from here in the proper way, because as per output is came, we can see the 10 and then several. It's not mentioning that what kind of value is there. So we are committing it. We are putting proper indentation, proper uh, proper information about particular value, like value of x is this and then value of y is this. So it's look better, and it's always having a good impact on the programming. So as we have seen all running output, we'll run once more this particular program here. So we can see once more that what kind of output are generating by this both. So we can see, yeah, here some mistake, comma was missing. That is the reason showing error. Yeah, it's run. So we can see value of x is 10, and there was no proper indication has mentioned. That is the reason it was not showing. Only 10 was showing there. So for now we can see value of y is Chandrasekhar Patel. So this both values are changeable. In the same way we are going to change some more thing, like x is equal to 10. We have mentioned, as I said, this is a variable. Variable means the value can be changed anytime, that is known as variable. And what is constant? Constant are those values doesn't change. So we can see here we have already mentioned it as just like the just select x and y as along with the value, and put it on the comment using a hash. So we are going for the x same value. We are going to inside the vessel. We are writing input, and inside input we are writing double quotes inside please enter the value of x. So user can enter their own value, there is no any problem, but value should be integer, because int always applicable for the value. And the next is y is equal to, not int is not required because it's a text value. So we use input inside where double inverted comma is there. Please enter the value of y. That means any name that shows output as it is with the same indentation, and that will look nice and better also. So that's not a big thing, but it shows some because we put the by equal operation we put the values there that doesn't change. For one program only one value will be there, so we are using this two option for putting the value. So after running the same, we can give the value like integer has been 124 and uh, string has been given Chandra. String has given Chandrasekhar is given here as the input along with Chandrasekhar Patel. Yeah. This, as for your name, you can pass the value. After entering, we can see the output. Uh, Value of x is 24, value of y is Chandrasekhar Patel. So we can know about the what is the input program we have written along with the same way we are able to see the outputs also here. That's not an issue. So